We're going to talk about small loans to finish a project, gap funding, usage loans, get your credit score up. Most lenders out there won't touch small loans. We're talking $75,000 or less. That's what we're here for. That's what we do. That's what for the last 23 years. We've helped thousands and thousands of investors fund billions of dollars. And one of the loans we like the most are the small loans. So what kind of small loans are we talking about? It typically comes down to 4 loans. The first one is finish a project loan. That's at least what we call it. People are calling, they have started a new build, they don't have money to finish it to get their CO, or they started a flip and they just need a few $1,000s to get it to the market, to get it sold. They have rentals that they just need to finish it. Whatever an investor needs, we can help them take it from where they're at without touching their first mortgage, get them the money to get the project to the finish line. So besides small loans to finish projects, the second one is small town loans. We have a lot of our clients from small towns, small communities, or they just want to invest there. And a lot of the projects, properties they get are less than $75,000. We just funded 3 this month. All totaled, all in, purchase, rehab on each one of them was under $60,000. Purchase, $40,000, rehab 20, and they're going to be worth, between that 100 and 110. Most lenders out there won't even touch anything that is $75,000 or below or in a rural community. We don't care if it's ag, we don't care if it's rural. If it makes sense, if there's money to be made for you and our loan is safe, we'd love to be able to help you with those small town loans. Number 3 that most people call us for are gap funding. Gap funding is when you buy a property, a brand new buy for a flip, maybe even a rental property, and you need the money for the down payment. So one lender is going to give you maybe 70 or 80%, and we could fund the rest. Or maybe it's just for the repairs. The lender is going to fund the whole amount for the purchase. You need money for the repairs. Or use gap funding for carry costs, like your mortgage payment, your insurance, taxes, paying contractors, all those things that come up that the other lender is not going to give you or you do not have the money. If a lender is going to give you 70 or 80% and you still need that 20 or 30% for the gap, that's where we come in. The 4th most popular is improve our credit score loan. The majority of investors use their personal credit cards to fix up properties, use them during a project, and then it drives down their credit score, not allowing them to get either the best rates or even a loan for the next project or that long-term deal. What we do is we come in with a private loan that does not show on your credit report, pay those credit cards off, immediately the credit score goes up, and then they can get approved for those other loans. The last one is just cash flow for their business. They need to make payroll. They need to pay a contractor. They just need some growth money. And as long as they have real estate, we do plenty of small loans just for non-investors even, financial planners, real estate agents, people like that who are looking for money to keep their business going. As long as they have a property that we could secure it with, we're happy to lend to them. Now, if you are a client that's looking for a small loan, as long as you have real estate, we don't care. This is private money, remember. We're not worried about your credit score now, and we're not worried about your income. We just want to make sure it's secure. So whatever it may be, even if we didn't go over it here today, if you have a need for a small loan and you're a real estate investor or business owner, we'd be glad to help. Just reach out to us. Our email is below, and we'll talk to you soon.